video, we'll discuss how to set up an automated email. For this example, we'll create a custom automated email to greet new contacts when they subscribe to our email marketing. First, let's navigate to the automations icon and click the Create dropdown. Then, select Classic Automations. Automated presets are organized into 6 categories: Featured, Tags, Subscriber Activity, E-commerce, Date-based, and API. The automated options found in these sections include default settings and features to make the setup process quicker. We'll still have the option to edit all the settings. Alternatively, MailChimp offers a custom automated email option, which allows us to start from scratch. For this video, we'll create a custom automated email so that we can explore the most options. But we do suggest using the presets to save time when setting up your automations. To begin creating this automated email, we'll click the Custom button from the Create an Automation Email pop-up modal. In the Campaign Name field, we'll give our automated email campaign a unique, descriptive name. This name will appear on the Campaigns page of our account and will be the name we use to search for this campaign. Next, we'll use the drop-down menu to select an audience. These are the people who will receive our automated email. Each automated campaign will send to only one audience. If we want to send this campaign to multiple audiences, we'll need to replicate a new version for each audience we want to receive it. Once we have these fields completed, we'll click Begin to continue setting up our automated email. Each automated preset comes with built-in triggers to help speed up the creation of these emails. However, since we're starting from scratch with a custom automated email, this workflow does not include any default settings. Depending on our plan, we can add an additional email to this automated email campaign by clicking the Add Another Email link to make it a series. For more information, check out MailChimp's pricing guide to see the available plan options and features. For now, let's stick to a single email, which we'll set up to greet our new contacts when they subscribe to our marketing. Next, let's change the trigger for this email. Triggers are certain events or conditions based on a contact's activity that cause an automated email to send. To change these, click Edit next to the trigger. This will bring up the option to change the trigger, delay, or settings for the trigger. The delay is the amount of time the email will wait after the trigger event occurs. This can be changed to a short or as long as we would like. Let's change the delay to send immediately for this email. Currently, there are no settings for this automated email because the trigger is based off a manual add. But if we select Change Trigger and choose from one of the trigger options in the Select a New Trigger menu, we will see the settings change. For now, let's choose Audience Management and then Sign Up, since we want to send this email to new contacts when they sign up to our marketing. Now we will see a new settings option, Trigger when subscribers are imported. If we check this box, our email will send to folks we import to this audience in addition to those that sign up. Try out the other trigger options to see which best fit your needs. These triggers are also pre-built into the preset automated emails for faster access. Once we're satisfied with the trigger settings, we'll click Update Trigger to save the changes. To choose the day and time the email sends, we'll click Edit next to Schedule. The email is preset to send every day of the week, but if we want to send only on weekdays, for example, we can use the drop-down menu to uncheck the days we don't want the campaign to send, Saturday and Sunday. Similarly, we can use the drop-down menu under What time should emails be sent to choose the time new subscribers are sent the email. We'll select Send At to set a specific time, or select Only Send Between to limit the time frame in which the email sends to new subscribers. Certain plans have access to a feature called Time Warp that will deliver the email to new subscribed contacts based on their time zone. Once we've decided on the ideal schedule, we'll click Save Schedule and return to the email step of the automation builder. Next, let's click Add next to Filter by Segment or Tag to look at the segment and tag options for this campaign. This page has options to filter our audience by segments or tags to better target subscribers in an automation. We can access those by checking the box next to Choose Segment or Tag. A segment will filter contacts with similar list field data. Alternatively, A tag is a simple way to organize contacts using custom labels assigned to the subscriber. We can see how many subscribed contacts are currently in the queue beneath the checkbox. When we select Contact as a member of a segment or is tagged, a drop-down menu will appear with our saved segments. We can also create a new segment by choosing Contacts match the following conditions. If we want to add our segment to this campaign, we'll click Save Segment to return to the Automation Builder. Finally, we can click Add next to Post Send Action to select a post-sending list action for each contact. We'll then use the drop-down menu to access each of these options. These post-sending list actions occur after the automated email is sent and allow us to do things like add that person to a group or assign them a tag once they've completed the automation. When we're finished, we'll click Update Action to return to the Automation Builder. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your automated email. For more information on creating a classic automated email, check out our guides and tutorials.